Nag-wonder ba ka kung i-cover ba sa tuwang PhilHealth or Philippine Health Insurance ang mga tao nga gusto na magparehab? Curious? If so, I need you to watch until the end because ako ang i-explain kung i-cover ba yun sa PhilHealth ng tuwang drug addiction problem. But before we move forward, again, another disclaimer, na tanan na ito istoryahan diri is for educational and awareness purposes only and is not intended to replace any actual or complicated na mga scenarios. Now, let's define again what is addiction. Now, addiction, as what we've been mentioning for quite some time, is a chronic, taas-taas na siya, relapsing, magbalik-balik na siya, and it is also considered as a disease. Alright? So, in short, sa tibuok kinabuhi sa usa ka tawo, naadji higayon or naadji puruhan nga at some point, baka una-una din siya nga, uy, lami kayo mo gamit og droga or naa siya cravings, lami kayo mo taking og substance, lami kayo manigarilyo karon, and then taking drugs. Naadji mga cases nga ing-ana. Okay? And if we connect it to the question, if i-cover ba sa PhilHealth ang addiction problem, the answer is actually both no and yes. No, because in the sense nga kung magparehab na gani siya for a minimum of 6 months, and since addiction is actually a choice, no, na ay decision making involved ana, and as per DOH, addiction is definitely a choice, then basically PhilHealth will not cover the expenses during the rehabilitation stage. So for a minimum of 6 months, wala yung PhilHealth nga involved ana. But the good thing is that for the monthly expenses na amantay mga medical social services nga mag-assess no kung pila ang magasto per month and pila ang discount na pwede nila makuha and mga benefits nga pwede nila makuha para at least dili sila ma-burden sa mga gastuhonon every month. Now, the good thing about this, because PhilHealth actually released a what we call a PhilHealth circular number 2016-0030, which refers to the medical detoxification package. So when we say detoxification package, it refers to the process na ipatangtang sa tong substance nga naga-cause og euphoria sa usa ka tawo or naga-cause og hallucinations or illusions, even those mga physical symptoms to like vomiting or palpitation or sickness, no? Especially for those people nga naa sa withdrawal stage and willing na kaayo sila nga magparehab. Okay, so diri na dayon ang involvement sa PhilHealth. So basically this medical detoxification package is the initial phase or the initial stage to drug rehabilitation. Okay? So magdepende na dayon na sa drug rehab center kung capable sila sa detox, or if not, dito jud sila sa mga hospitals nga capable of like removing or doing a procedure nga mapatangtang jud ug paspas ning ginapatawag na to nga drugs sa lawas. Now, what is in the medical detoxification package? So number one, this will ensure nga ang minimum standards no medical interventions kay mahatag jud sa mga tao, especially to manage safely the acute physical symptoms, as what I've said earlier, and also the application no sa mga clients, the application of a procedure sa mga clients na katong naa sa mga withdrawal stage, and of course this package will also address those issues. Aside from the detox, will also address those issues nga grabe tong documented nga comorbidities like naada siya high blood or naada siya Hep B problem, kana sila nga mga case i-address po na at the same time during the detoxification package. Okay? And since we are talking about PhilHealth, again, it is always best to contact PhilHealth no if we do have clarifications or questions with regards to this. Find the nearest PhilHealth nga nasa inyong location. Sila ang naadyo best answer with regards to the circular number na ako ang provide. Now, the next question is, what are the coverage under the medical detoxification package? So again, appeal na ni ang mga services for medical detox, specifically for detox lang, mga comorbidities as what I've mentioned earlier, and also mga professional fees sa medical team nga involved sa pagpa-detox niya. Now, who are eligible? Kinsabay pwede aning medical detox na po ang ginapasabot. Now, just to clear things out, tanan actually pwede jud kaayo no. Granted nga PhilHealth member and also mga qualified dependents sa PhilHealth, pwede din kayo sila maka-avail ang ginatawag na ito nga medical detoxification package. Also, especially those mga clients na ito nga nag-positive sa drug test, specifically for like urine drug test, no? Kanisla if evident kayo nga positive dyan, pwede din kayo sila maka-undergo ang medical detoxification package. And also, those clients with history of like drug use, apil na dra ang sa shabu, or even the cocaine, or ecstasy, no? Or a combination of any other drugs na pwede na ito nga ma-reconsider. Now, what are the rules para ma-avail ang kaning detox na package? So, number 1 is, may include siya mga inpatient services, no? Especially those rehab centers nga naa sila detox, nato sila yung mga equip sila with detox, kana pwede di sila mo cover. Pero for those rehab centers nga walay detox, dapat yun dito sa hospital ma-provide na siya og detoxification. And also tanan mga PhilHealth members, both eligible o mga dependents, no, nga tawag ani mo-avail aning benefit package can be as a one-time benefit availment. One-time lang jud siya. And for those as well nga covered ani is katong mga indigent or basically sponsored or katong mga kasambahay, also with the lifetime and katong mga senior citizen na categories. And also those katong nabitaw mga co-payment of PhilHealth members shall not exceed the package rate for medical detox. And of course, dapat jud ang agency or ang institution kay nasa sila specific policy and guidelines na related sa accreditation, no, sa ato ang Department of Health.
Wait, kajut lang. Since we're talking about advocacy, let me introduce to you guys Gugma sa Kabataan Incorporated. Gugma cares for the children who are forced to live on the streets. These children often come from poor families, abandoned, neglected, or abused. They had no education and are forced to live on the streets. And Gugma wants that change through equal rights of education without going back to the streets and asking for money. So instead of giving money to those children who are begging on the streets, support Gugma sa Kabataan Incorporated so that the children will be able to receive their breakfast and lunch every day and also will be able to continue with their education and medical care. Gugma also helps these children overcome their traumas and problems and thus be able to start their new lives. Visit them on their Facebook page, just search Gugma sa Kabataan INC or visit their website, that's gugma.org, and feel free to support them. Now, let's go back to the discussion.
So muto sila ang mga rules, no, nga ito ang i-reconsider jud ani nga medical detoxification package. But ang atuang question jud dira is how much ba ang package ani? Now, as far as I know, under the circular nga naa sa PhilHealth, it is actually 10,000 pesos for medical detoxification. But if with comorbidity na ni siya, it is 10,000 pesos for the medical detox package, plus also the case rate corresponding to the comorbidity. So depende po sa package na nakaspecify sa iyang case. Alright? And asa ba ang mga patients maka-avail aning detox package? Number 1 jud is all accredited levels sa DOH for levels 1, 2, and 3. Ang mga apilani ang mga government hospitals and mga drug abuse treatment and rehab centers that are licensed and certified by the Department of Health and also to be accredited by PhilHealth. Okay? So, hopefully, na-clarify or na-clear out sa tuwang tanan no nga muna siya ang coverage sa PhilHealth nga no, dili siya mo cover sa rehabilitation process niya pag naanad siya sa rehab center, dili niya i-cover ang per month nga expenses. But number 2, PhilHealth will cover only the initial phase, which is the detoxification procedure. Alright? So daghan kayo salamat for listening, and I hope you guys learned something. And always remember, sulod-sulod ta og gugma pero ayaw lang jud sulod og droga. Ayo diha for me. Hi. Ganun ba ka sa video yung nakita karon? If so, do not forget to hit on the like, share, and subscribe button. And of course, apila na lang po ang notification bell para at least ma-inspire ko nga magpadayon og buhat sa mga ing-ani nga klase nga videos. And also, maka-reach out ta og more people na gusto ma-sober gusto maka-prevent og relapse, also maka-control sa ilang addiction, and syempre katong gusto og peace of mind. Alright? Again, hit the like, share, subscribe, and notification bell. Take care now.